Hello class, today we're going to be looking at Google Draw. The Google brand of products has a lot of free different things that allow you to create projects easily and also share them with a whole group of people. So today you're going to log into your Google Drive. You're then going to hit Next. You're going to go down to More and then click on Google Drawings. So it should bring you to a new page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up into the left hand corner and title our project. So I'm going to just call this one Service Project. Now the next thing that we would want to do is create some sort of background for our poster, whether it's just a color or a picture or something else. So I'm going to show you how to include a picture into your project. So we're going to go up to Insert, Image, and it gives you a whole bunch of different objects, whether you want to click by URL, photos on your computer, or search the web. So we're going to search the web now, and I'm going to just type in gardens, and as you see here, it brings up a whole bunch of different photos of different types of gardens. So I'm going to click on, let's use this one. So after you double click, it should load onto your screen. Now I'm going to resize the picture using the squares on the corners of the picture that we uploaded, and then I'm going to give my picture, my poster, a title. So let's click on that. So after we click on the text box option, you see this blue square appear. Now that's probably not going to be clear enough to put a title on the picture, so I'm going to hit Fill Color. And I'm going to give it, let's use a gray background for now, because you can change that later on. So let's type in Public Gardens. Now that's a little small, so we're going to resize it. Let's check out 18. Nope, still a little small. Let's go to 48. And I'm going to bold and underline it, and then just give it a little bit more reshaping. Now, as you can see, it's not centered, so much like a Google Docs document, I'm just going to go over to this button and center that. Okay. Some of the other features that Google Drawings allows you to do is shapes. So let's say you wanted to include different aspects to your poster that allows people to read it in certain order. So I'm going to go to Shapes, and then let's put a square in. So as you can see, it brings up a blue square, which we can once again change the color. You can either use solid colors or a gradient. So let's just see what a gradient looks like. Let's use the purple one. And then I'm going to type, let's say, brings beauty to neighborhood. So that's kind of an important thing about gardens. They can let you bring some color and life to your neighborhoods. Now my next point, I might go over to Shapes again and draw an arrow. I'm going to put an arrow here, and I'm going to move it up, and then I'm going to grab this and point it downwards. So that way people can see that the next point, the next picture, the next bit of text is going to be following that arrow. So as you can see. So Google Drawing gives you a lot of different options that you can do, and also more importantly allows you to easily share your documents with other people. So once you have your poster completely finished, you can go up to Share, and then you can just type in the name of the person you're going to be sharing with. So I'm going to share it with myself just as an example. And you can add a note. For example, Service Project Preview. And then you just hit Send. And then that'll send an email to that person asking them to look at your project or giving them permission to even edit the project if you're working in a group. So that is the basic rundown of how to use Google Drawings. I look forward to seeing all of your guys' projects over the next couple weeks. Have a great day.